Bang bang, what's up YouTube? Murtacus back here bringing you guys another video on my SLK. As you can see, I just did a little car wash on it. Looks pretty good. These are the tires I'm rocking with. I just got them kind of recently. They're 205/55 R16 in the front, and then in the back they're let me see, they're where's the measurement? I believe they're 225. Yeah, they're 225/50 R16. Probably gonna get new rims, probably 17-inch rims. I think it'll look a lot better. These are all right. These rims are kind of, you know, meh in my opinion. Looks pretty good. Paint, exterior, no rust, super clean. And yeah, I'll show you the other side as well. As you can see, it's gets wider at the fenders. Yeah, I got this thing with like 78,000 miles, and it's been a lot of fun to drive. I'm at like 82,000, so I've been driving it quite a bit. I actually just installed a Jensen head unit, and the speakers in this car are really good. I think it's off. So yeah, guys, someone was doing donuts right there. Sounds super good too. Yeah, let's go on a little cruise. Dude, the top down's insane. It's pretty foggy outside. Let me put the windows up. So yeah, putting the windows up right here definitely helps with the wind noise. Not really that big of an issue, but for the YouTube video I'll have them up. But yeah, guys, this car has been a lot of fun to drive. Got 82,883 miles on it, about to cross 83k. All I've really done, custom air intake, new front tires, and oil change. And I kind of cleaned up the other stuff. Knock on leather, whatever that is. I think it's plastic. Yeah, it is plastic. But this car has been, you know, beside the interior falling apart, this car has been awesome. I've gotten some comments about like, would you buy it? 100%. If you are in the market for a two-door convertible or even just a car, you can pick these up for a really good deal in my opinion. They nailed this engine. And I'll also talk about the transmission. It's a 5-speed. Feels super good. I believe the 5-speed transmission on this is used in their like other cars. And so what that means is, like, I have the inline 4 supercharged engine, and this one produces about 190 horsepower. And I swear to you, like, it shifts smooth. Like when I floor it, like that was a clean shift right there, and it just pulls. Yeah, it feels really good. And this thing's super quick too. I mean, 190 horsepower with the weight, I think is really good. It feels really good. And yeah, I'm just so excited to, you know, be an owner of this car. I have 2 cars. I have a Prius as well. And, you know, honestly, those 2 are just finito. But yeah, guys, super cloudy outside. I don't know what is going on with that. But yeah, it's a nice day. Also, I want to talk about the miles per gallon. Depending how you drive, I have a lead foot in this car. I don't know why. It's just like, I just like driving it kind of fast. And it handles really well as long as it's dry outside and you have some good tires. This thing handles really good. And it is rear wheel drive, so the like you can, you know, spin out a little bit, but that's only if you're like in a first gear turning kind of hard, and in the rain as well. But I've gotten used to it. I've gotten very comfortable with this car. I wouldn't say I know its limits yet, and you know, safely, I don't know where I could do that. I'd probably have to be at some racetrack, but I've got like probably like 85% confidence in the limits, if that makes any sense. But with the top down, I think is worth the price of the car in itself. I mean, the top down experience is so nice, so open, and you can like really see like a lot of visibility and stuff. And I love that blow off sound from the supercharger. There's a speed camera right here. I gotta chill. But like all cars, it kind of has some weird quirks with it. I was having issues with the taillights. One of the bulbs, I had to like clean all the sensors and stuff. I guess it got dirty over time. Because this is a 1998 car. I have it registered as historic in my state. So that means no inspection and no emissions test, which is absolutely wonderful. I double check, make sure your car is good to drive, because I've seen some like clapped out historic cars, but this one's not that clapped out. It definitely needs some suspension work, and that's just because I manually put the top down. That's another thing on these cars. The pump works. I actually had it working kind of, but it was leaking through the cylinders, so it didn't really complete the job of automatically putting the top down, and that's why it's kind of upset, because it's not secured. I looked on the forums and stuff, but honestly it's fine. The trunk's not loose at all, but I will say that is a little bit of an annoyance for sure. But this car for summer, even just around town, if I took this to the beach, oh my goodness. I mean, this is like a beach kind of car, especially like warmer climate, because you get the top down. And yeah, some other things I want to talk about this car. Like I said, the gas mileage, I think I get like, you can get like about 30, I believe, on the highway and like 20 in the city, which is actually really good for a German car of this age. And I'll just give you a rip here. Sounds so good. Has a nice exhaust. I believe this car doesn't come with a resonator, so it has a nice deep tone to it, and you can really hear it when you have the top down. And I love that blow off supercharger sound. I might put the stock airbox back on, but honestly, I don't know. I feel like you do lose a little bit of performance in terms of like the throttle response with having the custom air intake, because it's not technically a cold air intake. But I mean, the noise is kind of worth it in my opinion. It sounds like an airplane. There's another rip. Oh yeah, as you can see, it handles really good. Nice, very nice car on the back roads for sure. A lot of fun. Holds the gear for you in sport mode. Oh, and it feels so cool with the trees down. Yeah, guys, take it over here. Dude, this thing breaks necks as well, like in terms of like people look, because it's like, I guess it's a convertible and it's a two-door. Looks really good in my opinion. This car aged really well. I probably will get aftermarket headlights to make it a little bit more modern, but other than that, I am super happy with this car. And yeah, make sure you like this video, subscribe guys. Thank you for all the love, and I'll catch you on the next one. Murtacus out. Peace.